positives out of that day. We sit here having taken a huge amount of positives out of the series. I thought our batting has gone to another level. I thought we've batted extremely well. Obviously, our bowling has been average at best, and our fielding has been average at best. But I think we've batted. So they've batted fairly well. So there's a lot of positives for me that we take going forward. People coming to England said we were a 280 team. Well, we've dispelled that. That's given our batting unit a massive amount of confidence in the dressing room. So I'm taking a fair amount of positive, certainly in that department, out of this series. The other thing that is we've played against a team that's number one in the world in their own conditions. So I don't think there's too many other teams around or in fact I know there's not too many teams that arrive in England as prepared as we are in terms of the competition we've played against and match fitnesses, which is something really important. We've got a couple of days now to regroup, 2 warm-up games, and then we'll go. And I'm very, very confident with the players we've got. I really am. We need to sharpen up on a couple of disciplines, but we'll certainly get there. We'll be good.
Mickey, where did you see the Pakistani team in the upcoming World Cup, and do you think Pakistan team will perform like a Champion Trophy again?
All I know is that the players are very, very determined to do well. The players play every time they go out there. They play for 210 million people. We all take defeat in a very, very disappointing way, as our supporter base do. The players are good. We will be ready. Come the first game against the West Indies, we'll be ready. And I'm as confident that we will do well as I've ever been.
But one more thing is, what would you like to say about Muhammad Amir fitness, and also do you have in your mind about the Wahab Riaz?
I think I've answered both those questions.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.